Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back with two more trades today, and today is January the 30th. There's some high impact news for the pound pairs. So I checked all the pound pairs and I took the two pairs that looked the best. So let's take a look at this news. Thursday, January the 30th, official bank rate. It's green here. So green means we're buying, as long as the pound is on the left side. So let's go and take a look now at the two pairs that I've done. Okay, let's work on this pound Aussie. Oh, and by the way, I usually put them side by side like this after I decided which two pairs I'm going to trade, so I don't have to flicker back and forth. But as you can see, I have the PIP trigger. That's the one that's when it's trending, and as you can easily see, it's trending up by the gold line and this blue line right here. So, and everything down at the bottom, there's a lot of blue, everything is telling me to buy. And it looks like it's the best two pairs. Pound Aussie, Pound New Zealand's down here at the bottom, and Aussie's also at the bottom, 20% and 14%. So these are the best two pairs to take. I didn't know that prior to the news, but you know, as it's going up here, these two got weaker and weaker, and the pound got stronger and stronger. So I'm down on the 5 minutes here. So let's run a check to see where I got in at on this pound Aussie. Here it is right here at this cursor. I took the trade about 6 minutes before the news coming out. Everything was indicating that it was going to go up, so I took the trade right here. Now it did go against me 8 pips, no big deal. And I closed it out for no particular reason other than I was happy with the pip total. Now this is 78 pips. And of course, I am very happy with the 78 pips as it produced $5,121. So now let's go run a check on the next pair here. All you got to do is click on it and drag and drop it up. Let it go. Same thing right here, 6 minutes before. Took the trade right here at this cursor. Went 6 pips against me, and I closed it out with 84 pips. Now those 84 pips paid $5,385. Pip total is 162 pips, and money-wise it's $11,274, or excuse me, $11,274. A little bit early in the morning as I got up 10 minutes or 15 minutes before the news. I just got in here, made a quick decision, and as soon as I saw this setup on my PIP trigger, I saw immediately that we're buying. And that's what I love about the PIP trigger. It works fantastic in a trending market. Can blow this up here. From way back this point right here, it's trending where these two moving averages cross. So we're trending. The best entry would have been over here, obviously, but I like to trade just prior to the news, and I want to make sure everything is lining up properly. And as I said earlier, I was on the 5-minute time frame. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis, like my trigger system here, doesn't make any difference. Golden trigger or the this one you're looking at, the PIP trigger. Those are my top two. And as I said, this one's for trending, and the golden trigger is for when it's in a range bound. And as you can see, it's not ranging, it's going straight up. So if, as I said, if your system's not producing, then I recommend that you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you got to do is look right below the video. this video and you'll see this write-up. This is the golden trigger write-up, actually, and this is the PIP trigger. So today we are working on the PIP trigger. So I can bring this one over here. And let's see what we have here. My PIP trigger system, I do charge $250 for, and it comes with 3.5 gigabytes of training. You get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite currency meter. Now I do give a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. One of them is included. This one is the $1 Million Trade Plan, and that's where you take $1,000 and in less than a year you turn that into $1 million. The numbers don't lie. It is possible, but you have to get 10 pips every day. It's all you need is 10 pips in one trade, 20 trades per month. Once you read this, you'll understand the concept of it. It's not too complicated. The more difficult part, of course, is trying to get those 10 pips. In other words, you cannot be, let's say you're selling here. You know, if it goes up, you know, you're just going to get a margin call. And that will not be good for your account. So, now there's a lot of ways that I teach to trade, including this great way to trade, and that's why I have completed 36 training videos for the PIP Trigger system, and on top of that I give 9 bonus videos. And as I said, this great way is my favorite. Now today's is how to trade the news, but a great way to trade, you're looking at a perfect example of it. It's looking at the gold line and of course the awesome oscillator. So when you see this combined by this, a very high degree of probability, nothing's written in stone, nothing's 100% guaranteed, but at least 95%, very, very, very high, that this is going to go up. And that's why I say I always go in the direction that my trigger system tells me. And today we were buying. And I am glad to see that some of the traders are reporting back to me who also traded today, trading this way, trading the news, along with this PIP trigger. One trader has just Skyped me and said that it works fantastic. So I'm very happy for that. As long as you follow the rules, you should have success also. So let's see. I do teach also a lot of advanced training. I give a lot of trading tips. And here's a very important one. I teach how to back test the trigger system. I do this every Saturday and Sunday, up to 8 hours, minimum 4 hours to 8 hours. Over the weekend, I do that every weekend. And I also show you how to install it, but if you need help, I can help you with that. And then, of course, how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions, including how to trade the London close, which is at 11 a.m. New York time. I teach how to do pullbacks and how to trade reversals, and of course, how to trade this goal line. There's always action around or close to the goal line. Today was how to trade the news, and I also teach how to trade with a day job. So if you have any questions about the $1 Million Trade Plan or the PIP Trigger System, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. I do answer. Not like most systems I bought. You just get an answering machine and probably some secretary who just gives a very general answer, like it's just terrible out there. So anyhow, and of course, if you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. And I do prefer Skype with all my traders, trading buddies and whatnot. You can either search for Forex_Nelson, or I made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link right here. and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. Lasts about 45 minutes. That depends on how many questions that you may have for me. Now, over the past 12 or 13 years, I've been building a lot of trigger systems, total 25. And if you want to see the screenshots, very simple. All you got to do is click on this link. And of course, I have my top very best 2 trigger systems. If you want to see a review on it on my YouTube channel, just click on this link and you can see that. So, looks like today, this Thursday, January the 30th, there's some more news coming out at 8:30, but I won't be trading anymore. Obviously, with 162 pips and a total like that, like I'm finished, I don't even know if I'll be trading tomorrow. But again, that just depends on how I feel tomorrow. So, as I was saying, this just about wraps up this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trade, happy trading.